Is the next Apple TV 4K about to blow your mind, or just your Wi-Fi speed? Here's the real scoop. First up, the processor. Leaks point to an A17 Pro or even A18 chip. Translation? Console-level gaming, sharper apps, and Apple Intelligence features finally coming to your big screen. AV1 decoding is expected too, making streams from YouTube and Netflix smoother and more efficient. Plus, the new N1 chip should boost your Wi-Fi to version 7, with Bluetooth 6 and Thread thrown in for good measure. Now for the big rumor bust. Despite the HDMI 2.1 port, don't expect 120Hz video. Most signs say Apple's sticking to 60Hz because honestly, there's barely any content for hire. And the remote? Don't hold your breath for a radical redesign. Minor tweaks maybe, backlit buttons if we're lucky, but the same Siri remote is likely sticking around. Design? Still a small, sleek black puck. Maybe a built-in camera, maybe not. Quick recap. Supercharged internals, smarter streaming, lightning-fast connections, same classic look.